సమాజం పట్ల అవగాహన కలిగి ఉండాలి, సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయాల గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి అని భృంగి విద్యా సంస్థల డైరెక్టర్ కుమారస్వామి తెలిపారు. శనివారం పరిగి భృంగి పాఠశాలలో విద్యార్థి ఎన్నికలతో పాటు బోనాల పండుగను నిర్వహించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన సమావేశంలో ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ విద్యార్థి దశ నుంచి నాయకత్వ లక్ష్యాలను పెంచుకోవాలి అని సూచించారు. పరిగిలో భృంగి పాఠశాల ఏర్పాటు చేయడం సంతోషకరంగా ఉందని, నాణ్యమైన విద్యకు భృంగి పెట్టింది పేరన్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్, ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
సార్ కొంచెం పుట్టింటికి వెళ్తుందని అర్థం. ఈ పండుగ సందర్భంగా మహాకాళిని మరియు గ్రామ దేవతని పూజిస్తారు. బోనంను కొత్త కుండలో వండి ప్రదక్షిణగా తీసుకువెళ్ళి దేవతకి సమర్పిస్తారు. బోనాల కుండలను వేపరెమ్మలతో పసుపు కుంకుమలతో అలంకరిస్తారు. ఈ పండుగ సందర్భంగా ఆడవాళ్ళు పాలు మరియు బెల్లంతో చేసిన అన్నాన్ని దేవతకు సమర్పిస్తారు. దీనిని బోనం అని అంటారు. ఈ తంతుని ఊరడి అని అంటారు. బోనాలను గ్రామదేవతకి సమర్పించడం వల్ల ఎలాంటి అంటువ్యాధులు రాకుండా దేవత చూస్తుందని నమ్మకం. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం ఏర్పడిన తర్వాత ఈ బోనాల పండుగని మన రాష్ట్ర పండుగలు జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. ధన్యవాదాలు.
We have a speech presented by Kavya from 8th class. Let's welcome Kavya to share about Bonalu.
Today in our school we are celebrating the Telangana traditional Bonal festival. For this festival we pray and we will take the blessing of the festival goddess like Pojama Talli, Ilama Talli, Maisamma. We will ask her to give her blessings to the entire village so that everyone will have good life. So in the same scenario, in our school today we are celebrating the Bonalu festival. We represent the Telangana culture. Thank you.
Prayers to the God. It's also a time for community to come together and celebrate with joy and unity. So here all the people from different communities they gather up together and celebrate together. That brings a lot of joy and happiness to the people. Yes. So to highlight this, finally we would like to invite our director sir to say a few words about the significance of cultural celebrations in our school.
This blackboard? It's slate, okay. So slate is Shigra symbol. Our serial number is 4. So if you are interested to select Shigra, you have to cast your vote in front of Shigra. There is a blank column that you have to vote for. Thank you, Shigra. 5th is Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, her symbol is water bottle. So her water bottle, Vaishnavi is from which class? 7th class. So there are 3 candidates from each class. 8th class 3 students, 7th class 3 students. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Last but not the least, it's Shrestha, 6th number, and her symbol is pen. So Shrestha's symbol is pen. Now thank you, Shrestha. Now I want students who belongs to 3rd class to 8th class, please raise your hands. 3rd class నుండి 8th class వరకు ఎవరైతే పిల్లలు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు.
So just now sir said some words to you, so I am going to repeat, okay? Today we gather here for school election for captaincy. Today, honoring our democratic rights and responsibilities. To kick off the event, rights and responsibility, myself Asma Javeen, social teacher and the school voting commissioner, I am going to lead you people for today's event. As a school voting commissioner, I am thrilled to see such passion for our democratic process. We celebrate not only our rights to vote, but also the importance of making informed decisions and participating in our school community elections. Now I am going to say some points about importance of elections. Voting is a fundamental right and a cornerstone of our democracy. It allows us to have a say in the decisions that affect our lives in our school. Voting helps us choose leaders who will represent our interests and work towards making our school a better place. Every vote counts. Every voice matters. Now, let's go over the voting process. Today you all have the opportunity to vote for your student captain. Here, how it works. First point, registrations. Ensure you all have one slip, that is your ID slip. You should carry with you to the polling booth. Next, when you reach to the polling booth, you have to first register. After registering, process to the second step, collect the ballot papers. Now, secrecy of the ballot. Remember, your vote, it's confidential. Make sure to make your choice clearly and correctly. Submissions. After After marking your ballot paper, you have to submit it in the ballot box. So we have staff who will help you and assist you throughout the process. Your participation is crucial. By voting, you are contributing to the decision-making process, ensuring that your voice is heard. Let's make this Voters' Day a success by showing our commitment to democracy and to our school community. Thank you for your attention and participation. Let's begin our Voters' Day or elections for our captaincy. By exercising our right to vote, making a positive impact on our school. I hope that today you are going to use your right to vote in a better manner and choose your captain to run your school in a better place. I would like to invite our Honorable Director Sir, Shri Kumar Swami Gwaru, to inaugurate our polling booth. Presiding officer in this election of school captaincy. My role is to look over all the elections, and throughout the election I should be neutral with everyone. Next, Assistant Presiding Officer, I like to hand over the mic to her. Please come here.
My role name, Assistant Presiding Officer.
Few words about their symbols and their points.
Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Pranav from 8th standard. I am honored to stand before you as a candidate of school captain. I believe that you will vote for me. Please vote for me. Thank you. My name is Kaushik Chandra. I am studying in 8th standard. I am selected for elections. Please help support me. My symbol is computer. Thank you.
Here, my name is Akshita. I am representing the symbol of book. I am representing the symbol of book. I am honored to stand before as a candidate of school captain. I want to thank you all for your support and consideration. I have been a student of Brunei International School for last 11 years. During this time, I have developed a deep appreciation of our school community. My symbol is book. Please vote for book. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Vaishnavi from class 7. I am honored to stand before you as a candidate for school captain. I believe that our school is not just a place for learning, but a place where we grow, make lifelong friends, and create memories that will cherish together. I hope that you will vote for me with my symbol. I am representing by the symbol of body. Please vote for me. Thank you for your support and consideration. Good morning everyone. Myself Sheila. I am from class 7. Honored to stand before you as a candidate of school captain. Thank you for your all support. As a student of Brunei International School from 10 years, I developed a deep appreciation from our school community. Our school is not just a place where we learn, but where we grow, make lifelong friends and create memories forever. My roles and responsibilities are to deliver speeches and announcements of every event and assemblies, work together with teacher staff and other school leaders to achieve common goals and to address issues. Enhance school spirit. I'll enhance the school spirit and I will be initiatives of different types of events, programs and celebrations. Let's make our celebrations more exciting. Thank you for considering me for this important role. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Shrestha. I am from class 7. I am honored to stand before you as a representative, as a candidate in school elections. I am thinking that our school is not just a place for learning.
learning. It is a place for creating new things, new ideas, and where we will make lifelong friends. If I will be the school captain, I can help you in organizing, and you can participate in the different types of events, and you can participate in the assemblies. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Group wise forward mark.
Thank you.
Ready? Huh?
I want to do the, if any teacher is absent, I want to contact the PT sir to take them for the PT period. In communication skills, I want to act like a student and helping student and administration to convey the student problems and feedback. I want to develop the school. Some students want to participate in assembly, but they are not getting the chance to participate in assembly. I want to request assembly in charge to participate them in the assembly.
Yeah, that's good. So what is your symbol for it?
My symbol is good.
Okay, so the symbol is good. Okay, good answer. Yes. What's your name? Which class you are? Okay, so you are also nominee for you are participating in the as a nominee for electing as a school captain. So what you will do in the school if you are elected for the captain role?
I organize small events and activities. They will help in extracurricular activities and academic studies. They will help for games.
Okay.
And we will improve more facilities of our school.
Put on the mic off.
Why are you contesting the elections?
To solve the problems which the students are facing.
Okay, like what kind of problems do they face?
They can participate in the different types of events, and they can participate in the assemblies and they can go for and they can openly tell the thoughts and feelings what they are facing.
So what are your opinions as a school captain, Sheila?
If you will be selected as a school captain, what the first change you are expecting to do?
I will tell the all announcements and speeches which we will do in the events and assemblies and work with all teachers, staff and our school, other school leaders for addressing the issues and for achieving our common goals.
Being a candidature of school captain.
So if you are the leader of the school captain, what will you do for a school? If you are in the leading role.
If I am the school captain and I solve the problems of students, that if they are not improving their handwriting, I make them to improve their handwriting and reading skills. Still, if they want to participate in the assemblies, games, I make sure that to participate.
How many years onwards you are in this school?
From 10 years, sir.
From last 10 years?
Yes.
Good to know that. So Kaushik, what is the intention of yours to be the student leader?
Sir,
Why you wanted to elect as a school captain?
I want to change the school, sir.
What changes you wanted to see?
Communication skills.
Okay, you feel it's lagging?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again?
Handwriting. I want to improve their education purpose or sports purpose, sir.
How you can, what is your roadmap for that?
I will take helps of PT sir or teachers.
Okay, good. Glad to know, Kaushik. Now come. Almost all you are ready with your, what we say, your voters are ready.
Yes, sir.
So what do you feel, what are the chances of yours, you can be leader, you will be elected?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
How much confidence, how much percentage confidence you have?
100% percentage.
You have 100% confidence.
Yes, sir.
Then what about the others contestants? What do you feel about them? They are also 100% confident.
Maybe I get a school captain, for them sports captain.
So you are fixed up now, I will be the school captain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on. So what are your chances? She said 100%, you said 99%, she'll say 80%, she'll say 60%. You should be 100% confident. Why 99? Why not 100?
Because they are also there.
Huh?
Because they are also contesting.
They are also contestants. You are winning for, you are contesting for winning, you are contesting for losing.
Winning.
Then you have to be 100% confident, no? That confidence only will give the boost.
Sir.
Okay? So let's start the voting. Yes, sir. So now you need to stay in the front office. Your candidates will come, voters will come, and one by one they will vote. Okay? Last vote will be yours. Okay, na? Last turn they will be voting. Okay? Now come, by that time I came to know that you will be handling all this procedure. And how is your experience for this type of election, mock elections? Please give me your feedback.
First of all, I'm going to thank you, sir, for giving me this beautiful, good opportunity to show my talent and to conduct this one of the greatest election and one of the big election in our school. So I hope that student can understand the value of each and every vote, and they can elect their candidate for the captaincy, and I hope they will value their votes.
Okay. Do you think these elections will be fair and frank?
Yeah, it's because I am the presiding officer, so I'll make sure that everything fair and free and fair and free election should be there. It not be any mingle, nothing should be there.
So what lesson you are going to teach to the students now?
So I am going to teach, I want the students should learn from this election that their voice, their vote, everything matter in the school. They can change if they want to change in the school, and next time, in the next year, they can also participate in the school captaincy, and whatever they are going to learn from this year, from their captains, next year they can change that one or they can improve that one.
How was your preparation when the thought was proposed by the head of your institution?
So it's not very easy because you given me number of ideas, and my colleagues are there who help me to complete this one of the great tasks.
So how was your experience conducting this kind of election?
My experience is very good actually. I never thought that these people will respond to my each and everything. They prepared the speeches, they did all the campaigning very well. They helped me to make all the ballot papers and everything. They understand each and everything about the elections very well. So I hope that they will understand the value of the elections and conduct.
So, what are your plannings? Can you elaborate about that?
Today planning, sir.
Yeah.
So I hope the first thing, the candidates will cast their votes. Afterwards, each class from third class.
First only they'll cast their votes.
Yes, to first candidate cast their votes. Then we'll call to the from third class to eighth class. They will give the vote according to the class wise.
Fine. Thank you for this very well organized event, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now we'll be having our assistant presiding officer, Srija ma'am. మీ అభిప్రాయం ఈరోజు ఈ ఈవెంట్ గురించి?
ఇక్కడ సవ్యంగా జరగాలని, ఎన్నికలు సవ్యంగా మంచిగా ఎలాంటి గొడవలు లేకుండా సవ్యంగా జరగాలని ఒకటి కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఇలాంటి మేమందరం కూడా కలిసికట్టుగా వర్క్ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నాము.
ఎటువంటి గొడవలు మీరు ఆశిస్తున్నారు?
ఆపోజిట్ పార్టీస్ వల్ల వచ్చి ఇలా గొడవలు ఏదైనా క్రియేట్ చేస్తే వాటిని ఎదుర్కొని మంచి సవ్యంగా జరగాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. అండ్ హౌ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ మ్యామ్ నిహారిక మ్యామ్?
Sir, my role is OPO. I will be issuing the ballot papers to the students to cast their vote, valuable vote.
Okay, so every student will be issued this what we say ballot paper. So you will be the person who will be handovering them.
Yeah, I will be the person who will be handovering them.
How about the absentees? What plan you have for them?
Absentees, we will be make sure to cast their vote in the coming sections.
So you are going to their homes to cast their vote?
No, not like that. We will ask them, but we won't conduct the elections again.
As per 2024 elections from the Election Commissioner of India, now there is a possibility that you need to, for handicapped or for any unwanted reasons,
postal ballots. Postal ballots are there. We will be issuing them to cast their vote.
He is Mr. Tejeshwar, the PT of Brungi International School. So I found that very interesting, very hardworking. He is like a director of the school. Like all the things behind the screen he'll do. So no one notices, but today is our elections. So he should be called forefront to share his experiences also. So how you feel when you were in the school life and now being the part of the school? What is the difference you notice?
Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. This is totally different theme of the life. I studied in the same school and again I was working in the same school and under the director, sir. It gave me the experience of various things. I don't have any experience, but sir has given me the opportunity to work in this school again. It gives me best experience in my life to have the experience in this school. It is a great opportunity to be in the holding here the elections in our school. So in my school life there is an elections in the same way, but it's quite different here. With all the students are from 3rd to 8th class who are participating here. They are enthusiastic. In our school time, from the 5th to 10th, there will be a voting. Voting, right? Here, from the 3rd to 8th, the voting cash will be there. So all the students are excited, and the infrastructure and everything are super here. We are so interested, and with the help of sir, we will develop our school more and more. And thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tejas. Ready for what? Ready for what? Ready for voting or casting our vote? You have to say. What you have to say?
Ready for voting.
Yeah, ready for voting. Injections చేయాలి, పంపింగ్ చేయాలి. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ టైగర్. Ready, children? జర ఫోటోలు తీసుకోవాలి, పిల్లలు వస్తారు కదా, ఫోటోలు పెట్టి జర గ్రూప్లో అన్నీ ఒక మార్క్ చేసేసి వీడియో తయారు చేసేసి ఒక 30 సెకండ్కి ఒక 2 minutes. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. అంటే ఏదో ఇట్లా తీసేసుకొని కొంచెం కట్ చేసుకుంటే అందరు గడిచేటట్టు run fast. 2 booths are there, no? Ma'am, 2 booths are there. We can complete it fast. Come on. Santosh? Now, being the part of this school, being a faculty of this school, and actively participation of yours is also there. So, is there any chances to cast the teachers' votes also?
I'm feeling very happy to be in a Brungian as a teacher. So this is the first time I'm feeling that I'm a part of that voting, and I'm feeling that the teachers also, if give the chance, we also will vote.
No, what about your presiding officer? What instructions you got? The teachers are given chance to vote, or they have kept
So they
isolated
has she told that no need for the teachers, but we are expecting that if we'll get the chance, we'll vote the student.
So according to you, who may have the chances to win? Who is your favorite
so
candidate?
all, it's not favorite, sir. All are very good in academic, at the same time in the curriculum activity also. We hope that best will win.
Okay. So thank you. So, ma'am, I got to know the information that you have counseled the students and groomed the students to become more confident. What was the idea behind that?
So there are 6 members participating as nominees in the Brungi Voters Day elections. So each of the 6 members have very individual expectations. Like they have different opinions. Like if they become a school head, as a school captain, they have different roles and responsibilities. So that makes a good thing here. And everyone they get ready. Like what I have to do if I am being a school captain for here. So they are like well prepared. What are the roles and responsibilities they have to implement as a school captain. So like all other students are very well grown in sports as well as in academics as well as in the arts and crafts. Everyone are good in that. So we have to hope for the best actually.
So everyone have their best. So who is your best?
So for me as a teacher, so all are equal students of mine. So it is nothing like they only have to win. So everyone's I like all of the aspects. Like everyone ideologies are equalized for me. So I support everyone as a teacher.
You people are very modest, having that kind of understanding that the best one may win, but you know who will be the best. But you are being more modest.
That chance we have to give for the students to elect as a leader, sir.
Happy. The quality or the attribute as a teacher, whatever are required, this Brungi school staff has that all the qualities also. So thank you for this wonderful moment to share with.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So I think now it's a time to sign off from my side, and I wish you all the best for this smooth conduction of the election. Thank you very much. How is your today's experience?
It was so nice, sir. We enjoyed a lot.
In which way you enjoyed?
While doing dance, now voting is going on. So we can enjoy so much a lot, sir. 2 events at one time.
Now let me know what you feel about this school captain election.
It is so nice if it is a captain is there for school. We can, if any problem is there, we can tell to them. They will solve it, sir.
Okay.
If we will tell to teachers, they also have any problems. If tell to the captain, they will try to solve the problem.
Okay. Now, have you cast your vote?
No, sir.
When you are going to do that?
After completion of
Last is your 8th class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Being now in 8th class, whom do you feel he or she will have upper hand of winning?
I think so, Kaushik.
Kaushik is having chances to win.
Yes, sir.
Why not girl? Being a girl, why you feel Kaushik will win? Why not girl should win?
Because he'll respect her, sir, more.
Girls won't respect girls.
She,
Just joking. Okay, come on.
she'll respect, but
3 girls and 3 boys are there. What do you feel that women's power should be more or male power should be more?
women, sir.
Women's only. Then what are the chances of winning any girl among these 3?
Akshita.
Akshita has the brighter chances to win.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think so. Akshita and Shigra.
There are
Both.
they have chances to
Yes,
win.
sir.
Okay, fine. Now give ma'am. Ma'am, what is your idea behind this kind of event organizing in our school? Is it first time of yours, or you feel this kind of event has been done in your previous schools?
Sir, actually, this is the first time for me, sir. I am very happy to be a person here, sir, actually. I enjoyed a lot with my students. And now in my school, elections are also going on. Now I want to see the best candidate who will win in my school. And I am expecting more from them, sir, actually. That's it, sir.
Okay. So now you are from Orissa.
Yes, sir.
So you came traveling from Orissa to Pargi. So is it worth working in Brungi International School, Pargi?
Yes, sir.
Please elaborate that. How it is worth?
Students communicate and hard working.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So now Abigail.
Yes, sir.
So good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon also.
And good afternoon, sir.
So you are from Manipur, right?
Yeah, I'm from
So
Manipur.
the place called Senapati, you belong to that place. Traveling
Manipur.
from all that
Far.
4,000 to 5,000 kilometers to this place and experiencing this kind of Bonalu event in our school. What is your feedback? I wanted to take your feedback on that about the first event.
About the first event, sir, this is the first time that I have experienced this Bonalu festival. I heard that this Bonalu festival is for Telangana people, thanking the goddess. I was so excited seeing those students dancing in different cultures, wearing the attire of traditional attire, and the way how they dance, the way how they dressed. I don't know how to express in words. I like it so much, and I'm very happy.
What about the elections you are experiencing here? In any previous school you worked, such kind of event has been organized there?
I have been working in previous school, but and in that school there is no such election.
Okay.
This is the first time I'm experiencing this election in students. I'm very happy, and I would like to say that I feel proud of the students because they will feel like they want to be the candidate. They trust themselves, and they want to show how they can do and what they want to show how. I don't know how to express it.
They wanted to represent themselves.
Yeah, represent themselves, and they want to prove themselves that I am this person, I can do this. I can do more than you think, like that.
What
I'm
kind
very
of
happy.
role will you play if any of them will be selected? Will you follow their inputs, whichever are good for the school, or will you dictate your own terms?
No, I will follow them.
You will follow them?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So now, Anju, you came from Kerala.
Yes, sir.
So, being a part of Brungi, now let me know how the event was, today's event.
Today's event is very nice, sir. First time I'm experienced in Bonalu, so it is very, according to me, it is very, surprise. It's very new experience, and I like it more.
What about the school climate?
It's nice. Today is very good climate for us, but day before yesterday is not.
No, I am talking about the ambience or the landscaping. This school.
It's very nice, sir, because
location.
Very nice because they have space for children's playing, and they also can explore here, and it's very nice.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
सो आप हिंदी टीचर है?
जी सर।
सो आपको आज का माहौल के बारे में आपका अपना अभिप्राय बताइए।
सर बच्चों को क्या है इलेक्शन के बारे में मालूम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। बोलना क्या है, बोलना किसी को बोलना, बच्चे आके सब क्या करना पूछ रहे, उसमें क्या है उन लोग को एक्साइटमेंट होता है। बड़े लोग क्या करते क्या नहीं उन लोगों को समझ में आता है। इलेक्शन कैसा करना बोल के उन लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस होता है। नेक्स्ट हम भी ऐसे बड़े होंगे तो करेंगे बोल के एक्सपीरियंस होता है उन लोगों को। सर
आप कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाते हैं?
सर आई टीच इंग्लिश।
You teach English. What's your name?
माय नेम इज सफा फातिमा।
Fatima.
Safa.
So Safa Fatima, you have any previous experience or this is your first time?
I already taught in Gonzalo in Pargi.
Okay, you taught Gonzala. Okay, fine. So what comparison you see in both the schools?
There also they used to celebrate festivals. Here also everyone is celebrating festivals, and up to the syllabus, up to the subjects, it is very different. When comparing to that school and this school, it is very different. From in other schools, they used to teach grammar in English from the 5th class. Yes, but in this school we are teaching from the first class it seems. What about grammar, what are the nouns, what are the types and all. From here we are teaching, they should know about what the grammar, what is the importance of grammar in English, and they should know what are the types in it, what are the uses, how should we pronounce the particular word, and how should we take out that word, how should we use that particular word in a sentence, how to make a sentence, how to jumble the words and all.
What is your take? Like we are giving an opportunity from 3rd class onwards to vote the students. What is the take on you? Is it important to know from that early childhood the importance of a democratic country, or the importance of casting their vote is too early to them?
It is very compulsory for everyone, each of a child, and each as a human being, everyone should know what is vote, what is the importance of vote, what is how to cast a vote, because everyone participate in with a symbol. Everyone will participate, but they should take a particular person who is going to well-being, who is going to give, who is going to improve our skills, who is going to listen our words and all. And one thing, everyone is participating, but one thing the students know that for whom we have to vote, how we have to vote, we should keep it as secret.
Yeah, I think they have done enough campaigning also. Now the student have got a clear idea who will be good at and who will be good at what. Okay, so thank you for your feedback. Thank you very much.
5th class.
So, do you know what is happening in our school today?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is?
Elections, school elections.
Okay, how many are participating in these elections?
6 members.
Whom do you think they will win in this election?
Who will win you are thinking?
Pranav brother.
Why? What are the promises done by him to you?
He will take us to PT, and he will give chance to participate in assembly, and he will improve our handwriting, and so many he told me.
So he promised you in doing lot of things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's okay. So how are you feeling? I think it's the first time you are in this school, right?
Yes.
Do you have ever casted your vote in your previous school?
Yes.
Do you?
In the 3rd class.
Okay, in the 3rd class.
Yes.
Okay. So how are you feeling?
Nice.
It's good?
Yes.
Whom do you think who will win in this voting? Who will win in this voting?
Who will win in the 6th?
Yes. In all these 6 people, who will win? Pranav.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Madam.
I said good morning, Pargi. How are you all? I think this is our first event for this academic year, and I am happy things have been planned very well. And this is before Independence Day. This will be the first event we have planned, Bonalu with elections, school elections. So I congratulate the teachers, staff members, all the people who have taken initiative, including the teaching, non-teaching staff. So what the main agenda for today is to understand the diversity of our culture. India is blessed to have such kind of diversity. Every 30 kilometers, our dialect change, our cuisine change, our wardrobe change, And that is the beauty of this wonderful country. And we should be always proud of this. As an Indian, we should, when I entered Brungi, the year onwards, I have started celebrating every festival, every important festival, whichever is considered in our culture, in our region, in our area, in our country, in our state. So what is the importance of that? We have been understanding that we are Indians, but due to this and that reasons, political reasons, where mind changes, shift changes, that is not correct. We are all equal, we are all united, and that is the reason this event has been planned. And with this, the other event that is going to happen is the school election, general body elections. It's a mock elections that you have to understand. The voting right for every student will be having 18, for every citizen of our country, as per our fundamental right, we have to vote. And above 18 is the age bar that we need to cast the vote. But making sure that this demo, how the election process, being 140 billion, 140 crore population, one of the biggest, not is the one of the, it's the highest or biggest democratic country in the world now. We have beaten in population to China also last year, and this we have to understand. And getting such kind of country to live in, what is the power to vote, you have to understand. And we have allotted class 3 onwards to cast your vote to understand the depth of our nation, how a candidate is elected. You all know democracy means for the people, by the people and of the people. Your vote should be equivalent to the person you are electing. Now I wanted to call upon the candidates who are going to nominate today. Please come. Full elections, and one by one I will introduce them and with their symbols. Akshita, come forward. Akshita's symbol is book. So book is a symbol. Whenever you will get a ballot paper, we will be showing you how to cast your vote. That particular block only you have to put symbol. మీకు ఒక స్లిప్ దొరుకుతుంది. ఆ స్లిప్ మీద ఇలా 6 పేర్లు ఉంటాయి. ఆ 6 పేర్లలో ఒక్క పేరు ముందు మీకు కావాల్సిన పేర్ల ముందు ఒక్కటే పేరు ముందు మీకు ఆ ముద్ర వేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో అక్షిత సింబల్ ఇస్ బుక్స్. సెకండ్, హర్ కోడ్ ఇస్ 1, సీరియల్ నంబర్ 1. సెకండ్ ఇస్ ప్రణవ్. Pranav, come forward. Pranav's symbol is bag, and Pranav has been the nominee for this school election for school captain. Thank you, Pranav. Third one is Kaushik. Kaushik's symbol is computers. So Kaushik symbol, serial number 3, Kaushik. So మీకు ఎవరైనా ఎన్నుకోవాలనుకున్నప్పుడు మీ క్యాండిడేట్స్ ముందు వాళ్ళ ఒక్కటే స్టాంప్ వేయాలి. మీకు రైట్ ఒకరికి వేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఒక్కటి కాకుండా ఇంకా మోర్ దెన్ 1 if you have put your stamp, that will be considered as invalid. So understand that. Third, we have completed.